This is the Frugal Gardener, and today I'm going to ask you to think outside the box. Or should I say, think outside the pot. Stay with me. Welcome to another installment of the Buy It or Build It series. This is a pretty straightforward episode. These are starter cups. If you're familiar with gardening, you know what they are, you know what they're for. But my eclectic group of containers here should give you an idea where I'm going with this. Everything here has one thing in common. They're all food grade containers. Everything from egg cartons to water bottles to mushroom containers to milk containers, and even solo cups. This is not all of my collection of starters, but this is what I pulled together to give you an idea of what you can use. If it's food grade, if you can poke a hole in the bottom or have some way to let out the excess water, you have drainage, you can pretty much use it. Now, in some cases, it may not be very sturdy. For example, this egg carton, I had to double. The top is now on the bottom, and you have to be careful because it'll dry out faster than this guy here. So, like I said, it's pretty straightforward. If you can find something that used to hold food, now you can add soil, add your seeds, add your water, and you're all set. So hopefully this will give you some inspiration and help you save some money. That's it for today's tip, today's Buy It or Build It. This is the Frugal Gardener. You guys have a great day. Please subscribe, tell your friends, and don't forget, when you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from. Catch you next time.